Guys, I'm Mr. Alan C, and today we're checking out Kaboom! This is the mold and mildew stain remover with bleach. No drip foam, stays where you spray it. And this is made, I was going to clean this table, but I read about it. This is actually made for bathrooms. So we're going to go in and spray some in my shower and wipe it down. Let's go! Okay, here's a dirty old sink. I'm pretty sure it's rust stained. I don't think that's going to come off. But I'll spray some in there. We'll do it together. And then we're going to head to my shower while this sits. So let's go into the shower. And I'll do a little test spray on the wall here, and then we'll just wipe it down for you. This has been sitting for about 30 seconds. You can let it sit longer, but we're just going to see what it does. So that pink stuff, them stains, wow, they're actually coming out. I mean, it's not coming out on the crack at this time, on the very bottom, but there was some up there, and it just wipes right off, which is incredible. This sink's been nasty forever. So we'll see what it does here. And you might want to wear gloves when you do this because it does contain bleach. I know a lot of people are probably like, oh my gosh, his hands. I'm pretty strong though. But yeah, gloves are advised with this. And here we go. This has been on there forever, and I only let it sit like 15 seconds. You could let this sit for an hour and it will just do work. I'm probably going to do that afterwards, but I'm just doing the quick look at it here for you. All right, we're looking a little better, I think, down there where that big stain was. Man, I'm actually going to work on that some more after the video and get this cleaned up. Look at it, it's coming off. I'm going to make this whole thing white with a little time and effort after the video. Then let's go take a look at the shower quick. Okay, there's the shower where we sprayed. This was pretty clean in here, I'm not gonna lie. But I just thought I'd try some surfaces for you, see what happens. It's always good to get inside those little cracks and keep them clean, you know. So yeah, and of course I can spray that down with some water. You know, you get the general idea. It's good for cleaning. I was most impressed with the sink here. I'm going to work on that some more. So I'm going to let some more sit there. You could even close the drain if you wanted. You know, make sure it's closed and then spray it down. I bet that thing's going to be looking pretty in a minute or two. So we'll let that sit. We'll come back to you here. I don't know, my downstairs toilet, it gets gross. My upstairs toilet don't, but this one, like my sink rusts, and this kind of does too. I'm going to let the water finish running, and when it stops, I'm going to spray around the bowl. Alright, the water stopped running. We'll spray around the bowl a little bit here. And look, I don't got to get in there with my hands. I just spray right here. And as you saw, it had a ring around it. We'll let that sit for a few minutes. Nice. Looking good. How about this old glass door on my shower that was in here when I came here? Should I try cleaning this up? I was thinking about getting a new shower door the other day, but I never thought about using a product like this on it. So let's try that. I'm just going to do one side to start. Alright, it hasn't been on there more than a minute, but I'm interested to see what this does. So, we're going to start wiping it, right? We'll lather it all over so it can work its magic while we're scrubbing. Man, this product kind of blowing my mind. My wife picked it up. I never really tried any on this downstairs bathroom. I think it's going to be a big upgrade for us. Okay, I'm going to go wash it with cool water or wet water. With wet water, what am I saying? Alright, so this really needs to be sprayed down a lot with water to get this off of here. Apparently, this little thing ain't working. But I can see it's cleaning up nice. I could even hit the other side. I'll do that later though. We'll spray this with the shower head in a minute. Let's return to this sink. It's been about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. It looks like that rust isn't fully coming off yet, but it's working on it. There was rust on the sides of here. And this chrome thing, I'm sure it could be sparkled up. I'm actually getting pretty excited about this product. It's Kaboom. Let's go. Oopsies. I'm getting pumped about this. cleaning things up. I like my house to look good. This was just the downstairs bathroom, so it never got as much love. Our upstairs is looking good, but this needs the love. I wonder if I let that sit, if it'll come, because it's not off there yet. But I am eager to rinse this out for you. Alright, we can always spray more. Let's see if we got any improvement yet with this. As you can see, I kind of just sprayed it everywhere. I was scrubbing everything. We can wipe that down in a minute. Okay, it's kind of just making a big old thing of water in here. Make sure that drain's open nice. I'll get that draining for you. I'm having a lot of fun with this product. I didn't expect to go off on a tangent and make a super long video. Is this draining? Oh, my bad. The drain was pulled. It'll drain now. And what we could do, we could run some cold water here in a minute. Let's just take a look how this comes out. Run a little cold to get rid of those bubbles. What I did was I painted all around here and I put my paint tools in here, so I got a lot of stuff stuck on here from that day. And I am seeing a huge improvement, and obviously I can keep improving with more scrubbing, more spraying. But I think I'm about ready to take a break for now, so let's see how it came out. Alright, so I am seeing a big improvement. That rust isn't gone. I didn't think it was going to go away at all, but it's been removed pretty well. Like, I didn't expect it to go away at all. And, you know, I could let more sit. I could let it sit overnight even. So that's it for the video. I'm going to let some sit now, probably overnight. So we will catch you guys a bit later, and have a great day. Thanks for checking out the video. All that shower door came out. We only did one side. It's looking pretty nice, a lot more clear. And here's how that toilet came out. So, pretty good. That's just a quick look at Kaboom. Bye, guys.